Do you know who you truly are? Do you know that you are so priceless and special? And you deserve to have the best that life can ever bring? But unfortunately, there are some people, though they are so special, they have been rejected, abused, and treated like trash. If you are one of them, I don't know how battered you must have become right now. And I don't know how it must have affected your self-esteem. Because there are some who have gone through all forms of abuses, both verbal abuse, emotional abuse, and physical abuse. And these people have completely lost themselves in their relationship. They don't even know who they are anymore. But you know what? I'm here to remind you who you truly are. And please, as we continue in this discussion, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now to support this channel. Keep on watching. Tell you that you are worth more than gold. You are a rare gem because you are wonderfully and beautifully made by the Almighty God. You are so special, intelligent, full of grace. You are God's special child. And more importantly, you have been bought with a costly price. So, my dear, don't allow anyone to make you feel less than who you truly are. Don't give anyone the permission of making you see yourself less than who you are. Don't lose your identity. Do you know what you carry on the inside of you? Don't lose your values and yourself to anyone or to any relationship. It is definitely not worth it at all. It is better you walk away from a toxic environment or from a toxic person than to lose your true self. I want to remind you that no matter how good you are, no matter how patient, loving, caring that you are, there are some people that you can never please in your life, no matter how hard you try. I know some of you have said, I have tried everything and it is not working. I have tried to be the best that I can. I have tried to be respectful, to be obedient, to be nice, but it is not working. Why? Because there are just people that you can never please. These people will keep taking everything from you. They will take everything, I mean everything, until you have nothing left anymore to give. So don't even bother pleasing these people. Remember, people will value you based on who you are to them and based on their opinions and the information and their belief systems. So it is not about you, it's all about them. It's all about their opinions, it's all about their character traits, it's all about who they are and not about you. And so you have to recognize who you really are. So don't get yourself worked up. You are trying to please these people, and in the process, you devalue yourself. You lose yourself to them. I tell you today, try to surround yourself with people who truly cherish and care about you, and not those who deliberately want to hurt you, who want to bring you down, and who takes pleasure in your pain. Because You are a priceless gem. You are like a beautiful flower waiting to adore someone's garden. And truly, you are like a special gift to someone. You must see yourself like a special gift to someone, to people around you. So, if you have been rejected and repeatedly abused by someone or by a group of persons, know that you are in the wrong place. Know that you are in the wrong relationship and walk away if you want to keep your sanity. Because there are people that have lost their sanity being in a toxic environment. There are people that have come down with a lot of health issues because of the toxic relationship they have found themselves in. Just begin to rediscover yourself all over again. Because if you know your true worth and your true value, you will not allow anyone to trample on you or make you lose your self-esteem. Just begin to get it into your mind, into your head, that anyone that have lost you have lost something so great. So you have to better start feeling sorry for that person, because they are going to search the whole world and not find another you. Trust me, carry yourself like that with so much dignity. Cherish yourself, adore yourself, love yourself. You don't have to expect anyone to love you just the way you love yourself. Look within you and rediscover who you are all over again. If you are currently depressed and sad, wake up. Carry yourself with such an aura of grace and charm all around you, while still maintaining your humility and respect for people. And let me tell you, by the time you get up from that low, downtrodden state and begin to cherish and love yourself more than ever before, you will begin to attract the right people in your life. You will begin to see things moving better for you. And never you forget that you are a priceless gem and you are irreplaceable. I just want to thank you for joining me till this point. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I'm inviting you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be alerted when I make new videos. Until I come your way again, I wish you a more refreshing, happy, and vibrant you. Keep basking in that aura of grace, and I promise your life will never be the same again. Peace.